In this video, we will show you how to order Amazon Zappos shoes. Just to let you know, Zappos is owned by Amazon, and Amazon staff can get a discount when shopping there. The discount details might change depending on where you are, so it is best to check with HR or the employee benefits site for the latest info. If we want to use our Zappos discount on Amazon, we should create an account first. Open Google Chrome and search for Zappos Amazon. Click on Amazon.com Zappos. Click on it on Sign In, enter your email address, and click on Continue. Here you need to enter your password, then click on Sign In. Now add a mobile number. In case of an unusual sign in, they can text you to verify that it is you. Once you are here, scroll down to find different varieties of shoes. Select the one you like the most in one order. After that, click on that shoe. Here you can select the color of the shoe you like the most. Check all the details and proceed to order if you want. You can also select another shoe, go back and choose another one. Now check the product details and click on Add to Cart. Here you need to choose a payment method. Then enter the address. Finally, review the order summary, including the order total. Place your order with Amazon Zappos shoes. This is how you can order Amazon Zappos shoes. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.